Becoming more spiritual could seem to be a difficult task, but there are simple tips that you can follow to achieve that feat. Some of these tips include: 1. Discover your spiritual essence. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't. In the pursuit of discovering your spiritual essence, there are basic questions you need to answer for yourself. These questions are what defines your personality and the true meaning of your existence in this world. The questions you should ask yourself include: who am I? What is my purpose? What do I value most? The search for these answers will surely take you down the path of spirituality and also help to improve your spirituality. 2. Search for deeper meaning of things. As a person who wants to improve spirituality, you must understand that there's always more than one side to every situation. You need to learn to search for other sides of every situation. This process will enable you to dig deeper for things you want and help you search for deeper meanings to the happenings in your life. By the time you get this, you'll realize that you'll be able to analyze occurring patterns in your life and control the happenings in your life. Being able to control the experiences in your life helps you live a healthier and happier life. 3. Express your feelings. One way to improve your spirituality is to learn to express your feelings. This helps you maintain a focused mind. It helps you in your spiritual exercise because it can help you overcome any form of distraction that may come your way. Another great way of expressing your feelings is by writing down your thoughts and feelings. This helps you reduce your emotional and physical strains on your mind and body. This also enables you to think clearer and move forward. 4. Travel. It might sound funny to think that traveling can help improve your spirituality, but it is the truth. Traveling to new places where you can have your comfort and peace of mind can be a lot helpful in the development of your spirituality. This is because your mind is devoid of distractions at such places, and you have all the time to reflect and rest. At this point, you have better connection with yourself. This allows you to take away everything that stresses you and also set your mind on the right path for total wellness. You can decide to take on activities such as exercising, speaking with a counselor, meditation, or taking a temporary vow of silence. 5. Meditation. This is one of the best ways to develop your spirituality. While the daily tasks of every human may be hard, for a person that wants to improve on your spirituality, you have to create time to meditate, because it is at this time that you can connect completely with yourself. Meditation can occur at any time of day, and it does not need much time, but it sure does a lot of wonders in your spirituality development process.
I hope that you enjoyed the explanation. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of subsequent updates. Thanks for watching!